Most business owners typically do their own bookkeeping when they first start their business, but a question I often receive is, when should I be getting help with my bookkeeping? The help that a business owner can get from a bookkeeper, accountant, CPA, or tax preparer can vary, and the level of expertise and amount of time required varies as well. The main point here is that all business owners need to understand their business finances, whether they're doing their own bookkeeping or if they have someone else generating their financial statements for them. In today's podcast episode, I walk through many of the main reasons business owners may want to consider getting help with their bookkeeping, as well as signs it may be time for you to start asking for help with your bookkeeping. If you're a self-employed individual, a solopreneur, side hustler, entrepreneur, mompreneur, freelancer, business owner, bookkeeper, or virtual assistant, you want to make sure that you have your business financial information ready to prepare your tax return, but you also want to make sure that you're utilizing this information throughout the year so that you can make smart business decisions. Running your business in the dark without the right financial information will only hinder the success and potential that you could see in your business. Listen in and see if or when you should be asking for help with your business finances. You're listening to the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, where we get straight to the point on topics that ultimately affect your bottom line. That's right, as an entrepreneur with a small business, money management, growth, marketing, they all affect your bottom line. I'm your host, Chris Ponick. I'm a certified public accountant, and I've been helping small business owners like you navigate and easily understand these complicated topics for over 25 years. I'm a wife, a mom, a grandmother, and a small business owner myself, so I know your time is valuable. In my free time, I make the best sugar cookies and have mastered an amazing chocolate chip cookie recipe. And that's not just my opinion. You're in the right place. I promise your time will be well spent here. Each week, you'll gain confidence and clarity while making a successful impact on your business and grow your bottom line. Get comfy, grab a cookie, and let's get straight to the point with this week's episode. Hey there! If you're a business owner who wants to take your business to the next level, you're building your business, and you're serious about growing your business to your first 6 figures, trending towards multiple 6 figures, or even 7 figures, I want to invite you to join me in a free consultation call. I've created a business strategy and growth program that is the program that you need that helps you take your business to the next level. It sets the foundation for you to build, grow, and scale your dream business for the long term. It's for you if you are a business owner who desires to build a successful business and you want to do it in the most accelerated, streamlined, and sustainable way, and in a way that aligns with your life and the impact that you want to make with your business. I'm really proud of the work that my clients and I do in this program and the transformation that happens for my clients through this one-on-one consulting process so that they can fully reach their dreams, set the foundation for their business, and create belief and actions to achieve what is possible by taking control and understanding their business, which leads to a balanced and more fulfilled life. There are limited spots available because of the very high level of support included in this program, and because I'm also very serious about helping my clients get results. I'm helping clients get their businesses started, be more profitable, set strategies to move their business forward, and take control of their business while allowing them the balance and ability to enjoy their personal life. Your business finances are impacted by much more than just your bookkeeping and financial knowledge. You need a solid business foundation. During your consultation session, we'll work together to go over where you currently are in your business and where you'd like to see yourself and your business in the future. If this sounds like you, I want you to sign up for one of my free consultation sessions. And if you're at a place where you know that you're ready for this level of business strategy, coaching, mentorship, and support with high-level business discussions that will give you the exact next steps and the ability to reach your goals and achievements, let's get on a call so that we can talk about and see what's possible for you and your business this year. You can go to financialadventure.com/contact-us to schedule your call today. I'll post the link in the show notes for you as well. Welcome back. Are you doing your own bookkeeping and you're wondering when or if you should be asking for some help with your business finances? I'm going to break this down a little further today by first talking about how and when a bookkeeper, accountant, tax preparer, or a CPA can help you with your business finances. And then I'll talk about the main reasons why you might need to ask for help with your bookkeeping. There are various stages in your business and projects when you may want to consult with an accountant for help. When you're in the beginning stages of starting your business, you may want to connect with an accountant to ensure that you're setting your business up with a proper entity. There are many to choose from. Some business owners will start their business out as a sole proprietor and then move into another entity such as an LLC or an S corporation. But knowing which entity is right for your business, as well as which offers the best tax advantages, is essential in the beginning stages of your business, and it can save you money in the long run. You also may want to utilize a tax preparer to file your business tax returns. When making this decision, you want to take into consideration how much time it would take you to prepare your own tax return and your level of expertise. When hiring a professional to do this for you, you not only have peace of mind knowing that it was done professionally, but they also will be there for you if you have a tax audit in the future. Your accountant could help you with preparing a business plan so that you know your business is feasible and help you secure financing if needed. You may also need an accountant to assist you when you're ready to sell your business. They can ensure that you're providing the proper financial statements to your buyer, as well as structuring the sale so that the money you receive from the sale sets you up for the best tax advantage. Most of these services can be done on a one-time or yearly basis, and they don't require you to hire them on a monthly basis. When you're looking at your bookkeeping process, there are many options available for you to get help as well. If you feel like you have a reasonable control of your business finances, but you just need a little help or training, you can easily get this when you need it. An example of this is when I work with my clients to provide training on the initial setup of their bookkeeping system, help them get organized and put processes in place so that they know the exact steps they need to do to get their bookkeeping done. I'll be covering this type of training in my upcoming bookkeeping bootcamp. When I work with business owners, they often are seeking confirmation that they have their system set up properly and that they're doing everything necessary to create accurate financial statements and reports that they can review on a monthly basis. We work through the procedures they need to do on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis, and they instantly feel relief knowing that they're doing exactly what needs to be done in their business. On the other hand, you may be looking for someone to take over your bookkeeping and generate financial statements on a monthly basis for you. When you're looking for a bookkeeper to help you with this, you normally don't need to hire an on-site bookkeeper. These services can be done easily with a remote bookkeeper and are usually billed on a monthly basis. Regardless of how much help you need with your business finances, make sure that you fully understand and review your financial statements on a monthly basis so that you can make smart business decisions. Now, let's talk about the main reasons or signs you might need to ask for help with your bookkeeping. One of the first signs you may find is if you're not doing your bookkeeping at all or your business financial statements are not up to date. Maybe you find yourself spending weekends trying to catch up on the last 3, 6, 9, or even 12 months of bookkeeping. If you don't have your bookkeeping done on at least a monthly basis, you may want to start asking for help. You might find that your bookkeeping is taking up too much of your time and you're not able to properly focus on running your business. If you find that you don't know how your business is doing financially, you don't have timely and accurate financial statements to review on a monthly basis, and you've never done a bank reconciliation, or maybe you don't even know what a reconciliation is, it might be time to make some changes to your bookkeeping process. If you don't do your bookkeeping all year long and you bring a shoebox into your tax preparer for them to do your bookkeeping for you so that they can file your tax return, which, by the way, will probably cost you more money than if you had someone do your bookkeeping monthly for you, and you could have known how your business was doing financially throughout the year, it's time to get some processes set up for your bookkeeping system. Maybe you need to find out why your sales are up, but you're just not seeing the cash flow that you think you should. When you hire a bookkeeper, they are able to help you ensure your bookkeeping is up to date, you have financial statements that you can rely on to make those smart business decisions, and they're able to give you advice and a different perspective on how your business is doing. When you don't have a good idea about what you're spending your money on or where you're making the most money in your business, it's hard to make decisions that will improve your finances. If you struggle or are overwhelmed with invoicing your customers, staying on top of your accounts receivable so that you have consistent cash flow, you're unable to pay your bills on time so that you can avoid late fees or bank service charges, you don't have time to process your payroll, or you're unsure of the payroll tax deadlines that you need to meet so that you don't incur any penalties or interest, you don't prepare a budget or you need help creating one, you have a hard time separating your personal and your business expenses, or you're losing track of your transactions or receipts and need a system to keep all of those business receipts. Setting up some simple processes and getting your bookkeeping organized will help you tremendously. Most business owners who get help with their bookkeeping find out that they aren't doing as good of a job as they initially thought. Many times you just need to ask a few questions or get the proper training so that you know you're on the right track. If you feel like you're lacking the confidence that you need when doing your own bookkeeping, or have a few questions about how you should handle situations specific to your business, I'd love to help you. I have a couple of options for you. You could either sign up for one of my free consultation sessions where we'll go over where you currently are in your business and where you'd like your business to be in the future by going to financialadventure.com and clicking on the Work With Me button. In this session, we'll also talk about how you are currently doing your bookkeeping and how you could improve these processes to save you time and money. I also have my bookkeeping bootcamp coming up next week. During this bookkeeping bootcamp, you can take the time to learn more about what you need to do to either set up and start your bookkeeping system, catch up on your bookkeeping for the year, or simply learn more about how to understand your business finances when you're doing your own bookkeeping so that you can make smart business decisions. If you're struggling with your bookkeeping and you know you need help, do whatever you can to join us in the Bookkeeping Bootcamp so that your bookkeeping is up to date. You understand exactly how your business is doing, and you're ready to prepare for your upcoming tax return while taking advantage of all the tax deductions available to you. Don't miss this opportunity. As a business owner doing your own bookkeeping, you need to join us in this workshop. I've helped hundreds of small business owners and solopreneurs set up their bookkeeping systems, and if you join us for my upcoming Bookkeeping Bootcamp, you'll have a plan in place and processes for your business so that your bookkeeping becomes a much easier task. Don't procrastinate. When your bookkeeping is up to date, think about how much more satisfying your business will be, as well as the peace of mind that you'll have knowing everything is accurate. and you can make sound business decisions from this data. You'll walk away with a step-by-step process to do your bookkeeping, and you'll understand the reports that you need to review to see how your business is doing financially before it's too late to do any tax planning this year. If your bookkeeping isn't up to date, you won't have the opportunity to strategize and make good decisions before the end of the year. You'll also learn how to verify and utilize your balance sheet so that you know how healthy your business is, and will get you on track to start your budget for next year while incorporating your goals so that you know exactly what you need to do to achieve them in the coming year. I know it can be easy to put your bookkeeping off. As a CPA, business strategist, and coach, I help business owners just like you to ensure you have up-to-date and accurate financial statements. I take the uncertainty and stress out of doing your own bookkeeping. In this workshop, you'll have a chance to either get started with your bookkeeping, catch up on your bookkeeping, or make sure that you have your bookkeeping system set up properly so that you can make smart business decisions during these last few months of the year. You'll also have a better understanding of which reports you should be reviewing and what each report means for your business. This workshop is excellent for business owners and solopreneurs who are doing their own bookkeeping, as well as bookkeepers who want to understand financial statements better and streamline their processes in their bookkeeping business. I offer workshops like this throughout the year, and you can go to financialadventure.com/workshop to sign up for this current Bookkeeping Bootcamp workshop today. And don't worry, if you're unable to attend the live Bookkeeping Bootcamp next week, once you're registered for the event, I'll be sending out a link for the replay so that you can watch it at your convenience. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners and bookkeepers where you're listening to this podcast and in the show notes. And you know I'm going to ask, what's at least one thing that you'll take away from this episode that will help your business succeed and grow your bottom line? If you need some accountability, join our private Facebook community and post your action item. We'd love to support you. Thanks for taking the time to tune into this episode of Mastering Your Small Business Finances. If you enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed creating it for you, I'd love for you to give it a 5-star rating and subscribe to the show so you never miss an episode. Visit financialadventure.com for the show notes, links from this episode, and while you're there, leave a comment if you have a topic you're interested in learning more about that affects your bottom line. If you're looking for a community where you can ask questions and get feedback about your small business, join my private Facebook group. You can find the links to this group and more on financialadventure.com. And remember, any financial information shared on this podcast is not to be considered professional, financial, or tax advice and should not be solely relied upon. Please consult your CPA or tax advisor for an opinion on your specific circumstances. I'm looking forward to having you tune in next time. Until then, dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do.